Chapter 22: Chatbots and Assistants. Creating and monetizing chatbots. In the modern world, clients expect instant answers. They don't want to wait for a manager to become available. Chatbots and AI assistants are the solution to this problem. They can process requests, answer questions, provide product consultations, and even place orders, working around the clock. Creating a chatbot used to be the domain of programmers and required significant costs. Today, AI makes this tool accessible to everyone. This chapter will show you how to use neural networks to create chatbots that automate customer support and increase sales. This will allow you to focus on growing your business while your AI assistant handles the routine work. AI will help you at every stage of working with clients. Automated responses. Chatbots can answer frequently asked questions without human involvement, freeing up your employees. Personalization. AI can analyze a client's request history and suggest personalized solutions. Data collection. Chatbots can collect client information, such as their email or phone number, and transfer it to your CRM system. Sales. AI assistants can guide a client through the sales funnel from the first interaction to the product to placing an order. This is especially effective for selling simple digital products or registering for webinars. Creating a chatbot. Creating a chatbot begins with a script. To start, you need to think through the logic of the conversation so that the bot is useful and friendly. First step, choose a goal and audience. Determine what task your bot should perform and for whom. Prompt. I want to create a chatbot for my online SMM course. The target audience is freelancers who want to increase their income. The chatbot should answer questions about the course, accept payments, and register people for webinars. Suggest 5 key functions that the chatbot should have. Second step, develop a conversation script. A script is a step-by-step dialogue that the bot will have with the client. Prompt. Develop a conversation script for a chatbot. The goal is to sell an online SMM course. Include a greeting, answers to 3 key questions: cost, program, duration, objection handling, and a call to action. Third step, create text for the bot. The text should be simple and clear. AI will help you write it in the right tone. Prompt. Write 10 variants of a welcome message for the chatbot. The message should be friendly and immediately offer help. Once you have the script, it's time to create the bot itself. Today, you don't need to write code for this. There are platforms that allow you to build a chatbot in a visual builder, and AI will help you with this. Choosing a platform to create a chatbot. TDO or ManyChat. These platforms provide intuitive visual editors where you can assemble bot scripts by simply dragging and dropping blocks. They also have built-in AI integration, which simplifies many tasks. How AI helps with bot setup and training. Automated training. You can train your chatbot by uploading a database of frequently asked questions and answers. The AI will analyze this data itself and be able to answer similar questions even if they are formulated differently. Response generation. When a client asks a question for which there is no ready-made answer, the AI can generate one based on information from your website or blog. You then simply approve or edit this response. Data collection. The chatbot can collect data about clients, such as their email or phone number, and automatically transfer it to your CRM system, which we will discuss in the next chapter. Integration with other services. A chatbot's power is unlocked when it is integrated into your business's overall system, website, and social networks. Embed the chatbot on your website or in Messenger so it can instantly respond to client inquiries. Email marketing. The chatbot can automatically add a client's email to your mailing list. Payment systems. Set up integration with payment systems so the bot can accept payments and process orders. In this way, the chatbot becomes not just an assistant, but a full-fledged member of your team that works for you around the clock. Monetization. How to turn a chatbot into a source of income. A chatbot is not just a tool for saving time, it's a powerful asset that helps generate real income. Here are several ways you can monetize your chatbot creation skills. First way, selling chatbot creation services. You can offer your chatbot creation services to other entrepreneurs and companies. This is a highly paid service, as chatbots help businesses save money and increase sales. Example, you can create a turnkey chatbot package that includes script development, setup, website integration, and training the bot on the client's data. Second way, automating sales through a chatbot. Your chatbot can become a full-fledged salesperson that works 24/7. Lead collection. The bot can collect contact information from potential clients and transfer it to the sales department. Automated sales. The chatbot can guide a client through the sales funnel from the first introduction to the product to placing an order. This is especially effective for selling simple digital products or registering for webinars. Third way, creating chatbots as a product. You can create a chatbot that solves a specific problem and sell it by subscription. Example, create an AI assistant that helps with writing content plans. You can sell access to it on a monthly subscription. Conclusion: a chatbot is your digital employee that doesn't require a salary and works around the clock. AI makes it smart, and you make it effective. By mastering these skills, you can not only automate your own business, but also offer this service to others, creating a stable income. In the next chapter, we will talk about CRM and working with clients. You will learn how AI helps in managing client relationships and personalizing offers.